Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Deborah, and I'm the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I package my beautifully handmade wallets. As you can see, these two are already ready to go. This purple one, this beautiful purple one is ready to go. This denim blue one is ready to go. And now I have an emerald green, a black, and another cherry red. So now that I'm finished putting on the utensils, I'm going to go ahead and package them, and I'll share with you how I'm going to do that. Just going to go ahead and close that. This wallet has 3 pockets. It has one at the top and 2 at the bottom. Okay. I have packing tape because I'm not sure what size this bag is. I want to say it's maybe 5 by 7. It looks like it would fit, but it doesn't. So I'm going to have to turn it sideways and actually tape it down real neatly. So I want the customer to see the beauty of the bag when they first get it. So I make sure that the writing is on the back side. Clear, it's there. Go ahead and put it in there. Just slide it in there. I could do all at once, but I'm just going to do one at a time. Then I'm going to just take this little nice little protective seal off. Slide it to the right, to the left, however you decide you want to package yours. Seal it down real nice and neat. And what I like about this is if you make a mistake, say you seal it and it's got a little edging like this one may have, it just simply removes. You just simply remove it and reposition it where you want it. I'm hoping this catches everything on the camera, because sometimes I'm really good about going off camera. And then I'm going to just fold it down real nice and neat. Take me a little packing tape. And seal it. Just try to make it as neat as you can, because I think first impressions say a lot about your business and how much value you put into it. There you have it. Gorgeous. And we'll just do the others just like that. And in this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and just slide the other 2 in there. Making sure, again, that the first thing the customer sees is the beautifully handmade emblem and the beauty of the product itself. Let's put that to the side while I work on this one. I'm taking the protective seal off. Putting it to the side. Sliding it down nice and neat. Folding it down. Folding it over and making sure there's no air in there. Taking the pack tape. It's just a really nice way to present your items. If you decide you want to do it wholesale for maybe a local consignment shop, or if I sometimes even package them when I'm doing a vendor event. I may have like 1 or 2 out because I know people like to feel their product. Slide it over. Seal it down. So, thought I'd bring you in a little bit on some of my behind the scenes packaging, product making, because I don't always show that. I just kind of, I don't know why I don't. I probably need to show more of the behind the scenes. I know I like to see how-tos and give me ideas on how to make my products pleasing in the eye of my customer. This is perhaps one of my largest orders. So I have all of my products ready. Seven in total. All going off to its forever home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, my creative friends, keep crocheting.